Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, please make sure to subscribe. More content like this coming all season. Waterfowl season has just started here in Ohio. And today we're going to switch it up a little bit. Go try and shoot some doves. Got a little dove field lined up in a wetland. And we're going to go try to see if we can get any doves out of it. So we're going to take dogs, see if we can get them on some retrieves. Work on some steadiness, drills, stuff like that. And should be a good time. This wetland sits in between two fields. We're hoping that that's going to bring some more birds towards us. So I've got my decoys loaded up. I have 8 tangle-free dove decoys. I got a lucky duck dove spinner, and we're going to put them to use. Hopefully we can shoot some birds over them today. Check out the new hat. If anybody's interested, please shoot me a message. They're custom made, and I have to order them. Alright, so we're going to get loaded up here, get on the road, and we'll catch you guys out at the field. Alright, we just made it out here. Got everything set up. I'll show you guys. Spread here in a minute. Hey, come here. Got him leashed up next to me so he doesn't break. We're gonna work with the dogs today quite a bit, so let's go. Yeah.
Landed right next to the truck.
Oh my god. Oh no, they're still up. They're coming. Stay.
Hey.
No bird, come here.
Did you hit one?
I got one right under the tree.
Hey, I got this other. I'm gonna go kill this other one. He landed.
Stay.
He landed. Hey, Lucy, come here. Lucy, come here.
Coming right at it.
Just tell me when. Because I don't see it.
He's by Jeff. Jeff, right over you.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude!
Did I miss?
You puffed it.
Yeah. Okay, so right, Jeff? Yep. I'm right after the moon. Do it, Tom.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Well, you gotta let me take it off. Come on. Release. Good boy. Brian.
There ain't much left of that one. I don't know who shot that one, but
Who shot? Me.
I didn't shoot.
Good girl. Sit. Sit.
Go.
Hey, two more
Sit.
up front.
Fetch, right here. Oh, fetch up. He's got a couple of those.
Is that a single right there? Yep.
Yeah.
Come on.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Stay.
Oh, my God.
Wait for the... Well, you gotta wait for the robo, man.
Boomer.
Ruin the robo.
What the hell? Look at all those feathers.
Fetch.
Man.
Fetch.
Goes over there.
Good boy. Here. Come on. Hey.
Yeah, I was holding off for I don't want the robo.
Release. Release.
Apparently they're bullet.
Release. 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 Good boy. Deal.
Oh,
Well, that worked out nicely.
Hell yeah. Good retrieve, Boomer.
Good dog. Good boy. That's fun, huh? Good dog.
Is there anything left? Oh my God.
What's this right here?
Oh, yep.
Jesus Christ. Come on.
Get up above. Hey, hey, hey.
Here he goes.
Here.
Coming back around.
I'll take big head over there. There it is. Good boy. Good boy. Fetch it up. Come on. Good dog. Release. Release. Good boy. Stay. Stay.
All free.
Sit.
Yeah.
Hey. Boom.
Fetch it up.
Fetch.
Girl.
Here.
Good girl, over here.
Heel.
Good girl.
Heel. Release. Good bird. Boom. Oh yeah. Sit. Hey. Heel. Boom. Oh, he got it. Over. Good boy, here. Good dog. Good dog. Well, when he uses his nose, it's pretty dope. Heel. Hey. Heel. Good boy. Good dog. Heel. Sit. Release. That's a good boy. Good dog. Good boy. Heel. Sit.
No bird, Jeff. No bird. God, right behind you.
Sit.
Nice. I was gonna say 6 shots.
You want her or him?
Doesn't matter. I can send her, you can send him, doesn't matter.
Send her. If she don't find it, I'll have him find it. Oh, these ones are gonna adjust. The back one is.
Couldn't see.
I cannot
Sit.
see either.
Huh?
That guy in Toledo, he's still moving.
Back. Good boy, here. Good dog. See, he's gonna pee now. Good for you. Good. Come
I
on.
had to replace
Yeah,
the
last
one.
lost him.
Come on.
Yeah,
Good
As
boy.
soon as I pulled up, he was right in the sun.
Good dog. Heel. Sit. Release. Release. Good boy. Good dog. Yeah, right behind us. Hey, oh shit.
Oh, fuck. Nice shot.
Stay. Heel.
Wait till I come back. He's coming back.
Stay. Boom. I'm not even gonna look, he's got it. Here. Good dog. Fetch it up. Come on. Good boy. Good dog. Heel. Sit. Release. Good boy.
Just as bad as the big bird.
Please don't let me into my zone. I just need some time of my own. All these people trying to get a conversation. You can conversate to that tone. My God up on that throne, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to box me in. I'm Mayweather, it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at. Making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like defense. My life gone, no recess. But I live my best one, so I got